All right, so this guy here, this is our tough one. This is our crazy, over the top, everything is in this problem. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we got to simplify this mess. Got to make it look a lot better. We have to look to combine like terms. We have to use a distributive property. We're gonna have to get variables on one side. Looking at this right now, my first thought is, hey, I need to get rid of these parentheses. I need to distribute. So when I do that, I'm gonna take the 3 times each of these. I'll get 6y plus 21. All right, then I'm gonna distribute over here as well. 4 times y, 4y, and then 4 times -5 is -20. And as I do that, these were not in the parentheses, so we're just gonna rewrite them. Boom. Now, as we go through them, we have 2 more things we can do to simplify. We can look to combine like terms, so that's only on one side at a time. Can I combine anything in here? Yep, the 21 and the 7. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Like terms, 4y and 5y can be added together. So we are gonna end up with 6y plus 28. And over here, by like terms, we said we're 4y and 5y is 9y. We have the -20. So we're almost to the solving step, except we still have an issue where we have a y on this side and a y on this side. I always like to move the one on the right to the left, but it doesn't matter if you want to move the 6y the other way. And in order to do that, we have to add or subtract the y over. So if I have a positive 9y and I want to move it over here, I have to subtract 9y from both sides. Once again, you must keep that equation balanced down the middle. So whatever I do to one side, I got to do to the other when we start moving things side to side. All right, 6y minus 9y. 9's bigger than 6, so we're going to end up with a -3y here. And we get plus 28. That won't change. Now what we wanted to have happen over here did. 9 minus 9 is 0, so that piece is gone. We just have -20 here. All right. So all of that work just took care of simplifying. Combine like terms, distributive property, and variable on one side. Now the problem gets a lot easier. And this is stuff you guys are used to. So now we're gonna do the opposite again. Opposite of adding and subtracting is subtracting. So we'll subtract 28 from both sides. Once again, split it down the equal sign. I have a new equal sign down here. The 28's canceled. I got -3y. -20 minus 28 is -48. And now we are to the opposite of the multiplication and division piece. So now we're going to do the opposite of divide or multiply by -3. We'll do the divide by -3. Now in both these cases, we have negative divided by negative, which makes them both positive. All right, and 48 divided by 3 is 16. So if you were to plug 16 back in for every y and then simplify the problem, you get an equation that is equal on both the left side and the right side. All right, this will get you through problem 1.3, problems 1 through 8 today. Problem 1.3, problems 1 through 8.